How to save document photos in your phone gallery using Camscanner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can save document photos directly to your phone gallery using Camscanner app. It's quick, simple, and perfect for keeping your documents organized. So without further ado, let's get started. So to create a PDF, it will take a lot of time. So what I'm gonna do is just open the PDF that have been done already. So to do that, I will open the WhatsApp app and head over to the DM in which the PDF has been sent. As you can see, PDF has been sent over here. I'm simply gonna tap on it. Once I tap on it, I'll be provided with the multiple options from which I have to tap on Open in Camscanner. Once I open the PDF to the Camscanner, what I'm gonna do is just tap on the three dot icon shown on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, a drop down menu full of options will appear from which I will tap on PDF to image. After tapping on it, my PDF will be converted to image. Now again, I'm gonna tap on the three dot icon shown on the bottom right corner, and the drop down menu will appear with lots of options, but this time I'm gonna tap on Save to Gallery. And to check whether it's saved to the gallery or not, I'm gonna simply go to the gallery and check the saved photos. As you can see, the photo have been saved to the gallery. And there you have it. That's how you can save document photos to your gallery using the Camscanner. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.